This is a walkthrough of the new statuses under Submit Data in myRADxUP Home for version 6.0. So I'm going to go ahead and select a test file that has one row of bad data because that will make it be a slower upload process. So I can show you something. We check row by row if there's data we can't incorporate. So when you click Submit, you'll see a success, and then study data file history is listed here, and my file will be listed as initiated. If you click on this question mark now, it shows you all the statuses and what they mean. I'll come back to that. And if you click on this refresh arrow, you can see it changed to processing, and it tells me how far along it is, row 48 of 100. So I can refresh and follow along. If you have a long file, that's helpful. It's now finished and gone to incomplete. It's incomplete because I purposely had one row of bad data that had to be removed. And if you click on the question mark, it will tell you can contact your EIT, and it will give you an error message. And this has the unique identifier, so you can find out the row that had that issue. And this was of some redacted data. So it started out. So to run through the statuses here, there's initiated, success, rejected, processing, incomplete, skipped, and technical error. You can read what they are here, but graphically, they're shown here. You upload the file and it will become initiated, which is a short-term status, that's temporary. If you try to upload multiple files while the first one is running, the other ones will go to skipped. These are all final statuses, okay? After initiated, in a few seconds, it will either get rejected because the whole file can't be processed if the comma-separated file is malformed, for example, or it will be quickly accepted, and this is now seconds for even very large files. If there's a problem on a specific row but not the whole file, then it will go to processing, and this can take a long time as we check every record. After processing, it will become incomplete, and it will list which rows were not incorporated. And if it doesn't fit in any of these categories, it will be left as a technical error. There will be release notes that go along with this myRADxUP 6.0 release. If you have any questions, reach out to your EITs, and we'll be happy to help you.